Now let's take a look at some of the typical structures assumed by RNA molecules. Unlike your DNA, whose main function and only function is to store genetic information, your RNA molecules have diverse functions. Hence, they have diverse structures. Number one, your RNAs occur single-stranded. So they are single-stranded molecules unlike your DNA. Most of these RNA structures would initially assume a right-handed turn as a single-stranded RNA. However, we have seen that RNA molecules display secondary structure. We have learned about your hairpin or stems and also the hairpin loops or the stem loops. We have seen the internal loops, the bulge or the bulge loops, and junctions in RNA molecules. Most often, you would find this representation of a long strand of RNA. So we start with the 5' end marked here as the first nucleotide. And if you notice, you will see a variety of secondary structures in just one RNA strand. So the circles that you see here, these are your junctions. You see some bulge loops. You see there's another bulge loop here, an internal loop, your hairpin loops. And you will also see in this representation that sequences that are complementary yet far apart from each other will still be interacting with each other. That is why your RNA molecules assume tertiary structures like the one shown here.